Now I will show you how easy it is to commission a freestanding luminaire with the new ILD G2 FSL. You can start the commissioning process by pressing the Start Grouping button on the ILD G2 programmer. The luminaire will blink twice and one of the drivers will go to 100% while the rest of the drivers go to the minimum level. You can select another driver by pressing the Next Driver button on the luminaire. First, we will commission the direct channel. The direct channel is always group 1, so now we will add this driver to group 1. The next driver will automatically be selected and we will add it to group 2 because this is our indirect channel. To finish the grouping process, you can press the Start Grouping button again or just wait for 10 minutes and the process will stop automatically. Now the luminaire blinks again to signal that the process is finished, and now it's ready to use. You can now use the IS6 Plus remote control to control both channels individually.